Does your eyeliner also look droopy because of your hooded eyes? Today, we're going to fix that. A few tricks and minor details can definitely help you. Let's learn. First, we're going to prime our eyes with a little bit of concealer and going to set it either with a setting powder or an eyeshadow that is similar to your skin tone. This way, the inner corner of your eye opens up. On the outer corner, I'm just going to take my bronzer and brush it very lightly. I'm using a gel eyeliner along with a small angled brush. For the very first line that we're going to draw, look straight into your mirror and draw this angled line. I'm drawing mine at a 35-degree angle. Please make sure that it faces upwards, not straight and not drooping down, as that will cause your eyes to look even droopier. Now the shape that we're trying to achieve is called a batwing liner. Once we are done with it, you will understand exactly why it is named so. Now the important thing here to remember is when you're trying to connect the outer side of your eyeliner to the center of your lash line, you want to keep the line as thin as you can. This way, you have more control over your eyeliner, and once you look up straight in the mirror, you can actually see if you need to make it thicker or let it be as it is. As we age, the skin on your eyelids gets thinner, which is completely okay, but it makes it a little bit difficult to apply eyeliner. That does not mean that it's impossible or you shouldn't be wearing it. You just need to change the tricks that you've been used to. As I look down, you can see why it's called a batwing liner. If you were to apply eyeliner in the regular way, you would draw the line from this point and straight down to the inner third of your lash line. But when you do that with hooded eyes, that line goes into the fold of your eye and makes your eye look smaller and droopy. Which is why we keep this line on the outer third of your lash line. And here you see how much difference it makes. There is no lines going into the fold. To avoid your liner from transferring into your crease lines, you're going to apply a little bit of translucent powder or eyeshadow so it prevents that. And then we're going to add mascara, lashes, and here is the finished look. Aging is inevitable. That does not mean that you stop doing the things that you love. You just need to change your routine a little bit, and I really hope that this tutorial helps you. To learn more such things, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.